The Democratic alternative has basically one proposal, and that is that you fine employers heavily if they've hired illegal aliens. That's one proposal. There's a much more comprehensive approach that needs to be taken, and so this particular bill talks about mandates that our Attorney General negotiate a memorandum of understanding with the federal government in regard to when our local law enforcement picks up illegal aliens, that they're going to be put into the federal system and deported ultimately, which we don't have any kind of agreement right now with the federal government. Our local law enforcement can call federal up and say, I've got some, and they say, look, we don't have time to come get them, set them free, and that's making them very angry. We're going to hire 14 additional troopers in each state trooper district, which will deal specifically with illegal immigration issues. There is free training available through the federal government to train local law enforcement in dealing with illegals. We'll cut off all public aid except for emergency aid. We won't deny admittance to the universities. And we do have penalties for employers that do illegally hire illegal immigrants, but they're an escalated scale of penalties, because what we found was, and this is part of what Senator Kettering found out at his meeting, is the federal government's taking so long to process paperwork, it's actually making some legal aliens illegal. And you could come in and you could find an employer, and they didn't intentionally, knowingly hire an illegal alien. As a matter of fact, they were legal when they did. So we're understanding that there are circumstances involved when it comes to employers, and there needs to be a more comprehensive approach. So.